Hello, the lovely people of YouTube. It is the Capitalist Investor YouTube channel. It's me, Ben here, and on today's video, we are going to spend 50,000 euros on Tesla stock. I know, I can't wait either. Anyway, let's minimize me down so you can see the Trading 212 platform, which is available, where we are going to buy 50,000 euros worth of Tesla stock. Got me coffee, don't have my wallet, but I've already got the funds in there and we can buy. Right, so how many shares can we get? So, okay, we can't get 50,000 euros, but we can get 47,491 euros worth of shares, which is 134 shares at this current price. Let's go ahead and order. So, guys, 47,000 euros. Hope you'll know that I'm an investing genius by pressing this button and sending my buy order. So here goes, guys. Thanks for sticking with me for 50,000 euros purchasing of Tesla stock. Here goes nothing. Yeah, boy, that seems to have been purchased. You can see over here, I have purchased it. So looks like we're already down slightly, but which is natural when you buy it. You can see down the bottom here, current market value of 47,000. Am I stupid? Well, the answer is no. For those of you that are very clever, I guess, will have noticed this grey box at the top. And if I delete those, you will see that this is a guest account and it's actually a practicing account. And I am not stupid enough to have invested £50,000 or euros in Tesla. I say stupid, I mean, who knows where Tesla will go in the future, but there is no way. One, I have 50,000 euros, and two, I would put it all into Tesla, although I'm sure most of YouTube will tell you to do that. Anyway, apart from the comedic value of this video, it would be a massive one to put up on April Fool's Day. That's miles away, so I just wanted to get this one out for a laugh. But there is a meaningful piece behind this video, guys, that if you do go to demo.trading212.com, you can play with fake money on investing. And for those of you that don't currently have enough money to invest or just want to understand, Trading 212's platform and understand how you can invest, this is a great way to just get involved. So if I just sell those shares, I'm not going to get back what I bought them for, but hey ho, I'm going to get back my money. And effectively, I can go ahead and buy any stock that I want. So if you are doing your research and you decide that you want to buy Apple, for instance, you can go in, you can have a look at it, you can then buy it, and you might say, well, I'm going to put, so how do you change this? So I'm going to buy 2 shares of Apple. And that's, let's buy £2,000 worth of shares. So you might do that. And you might start to build your portfolio. And this just tracks it for you, which is pretty cool, I think. So if you can't invest now, you can start to think about investing with practice money until you've got the actual money to do it. All jokes aside, guys, I haven't invested 50,000 euros in Tesla. There is no way I would do that. There is no way I'll recommend anyone do that. But I did want to show you this cool platform that Trading 212 have. And hopefully some of you would have laughed at my expense of putting 50,000 euros on Tesla, albeit it was fake money. Anyway, guys, if you found some value or even just comedic value in this video, do hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. I promise they're not all comedy videos like this one. As you can see, Apple was just purchased then on my fake account. But they do give you helpful insights into things in the investing world. And there was an underlying topic here around Trading 212's demo platform, which I think is fantastic for beginner investors. Thanks again, guys. I've been the Capitalist Investor. You've been YouTube. Until next time, peace.